Romaine lettuce is high in vitamin C, E, and K, calcium, iron, and amino acids. These nutrients work to balance blood sugar, strengthen muscles and bones, and support the immune system. Beta carotene and folic acid in romaine lettuce help reduce heart attacks and strokes, and the silicon found in the romaine helps repair joints, bones, and connective tissues. Romaine lettuce is even said to prevent nightmares and promote a calm sleep. Romaine lettuce is wonderful in almost all salads, wraps, and sandwiches. Purchase organic lettuce to avoid harmful toxins that may have been absorbed. Organic romaine is also found to have more nutrients than conventional brands. I'm Ann Schechter, and this is the Wellness Minute.